So our funnel, usually lawyers have 4 different types of ways coming in. They have email, form, a meeting, and a call. Organize them left to right to show order of importance. Your email doesn't really mean, it's not always that valuable. It's nice to have it for sure. You can definitely convert leads from it, but it isn't as good as a phone call. So we assign a conversion value to a successful collected email from them of whatever makes sense. So if we know that we have $1,000 profit on a sale, okay? Here's our profit. And we want to get a 2x return. We divide it by 2, which gives us our 2x return. So that'd be $500. So let's plug that in. Let's write here. We'll plug in some real numbers. 1,000 divided by 2 equals $500 over. Now, how many emails did we have to get for that closed sale? Maybe we needed 100 emails to get 1 closed sale from it, and that's a very good average, actually. So we're going to divide that by 100. So 500 divided by 100, cross out those zeros. We want to spend $5 per email that we get, and that's how we work our way backwards to find our conversion value. And what's the second part of our funnel? And by the way, you don't have to use $5. In the end of the day, you're going to have to test and figure out what works good for you guys. Some people's companies have a higher conversion value out of 100 emails. Some people have lower. It just all depends. And you really don't know until you just test and go for it. Probably not the answer most of you guys are looking for, but it's true because it's all very locally based and you don't really know until you go for it. But once you do have the sales coming in, then you can at least assign these conversion values after and then make sure that you're at least going positive. You may not be able to scale it up to say 1,000 leads, 10,000 leads a month, but at least you're getting a positive ROI, which is a stream of income you didn't have before. And that's the realism in Google Ads as well. Not a lot of people talk about that, but there is a perfect ROI sometimes, and trying to scale above that just doesn't bring you in. There's something called diseconomies of scale, which means that if you get 100 leads for $100, if you want 200 leads, it's not going to cost you $200. It's going to cost you maybe $300. Now you're spending more for a greater amount of leads because it's a bidding auction.